Students, last day I taught you how to write article. Today one more article writing I'll teach you. So this will be the revision of the article writing, and you will be understanding whatever difficulties you had previous day. Today it will be clear. Okay. So this is the second article writing I'll be teaching you uh, in this session. The slides I'm going to display you one by one. So all the slides you go through and see how it is. Sometimes your question may come in this pie chart. This is called pie chart, pie diagram. So have you read it in the mathematics? I hope some of you. So if it is not there, some information, some data will be given. For example, see, this is divided in three parts. Okay, this is called pie diagram. Okay, so this information, what are the informations are given? I'll tell you. See the question first. You are a member of the society of for prevention of cruelty to animals in your locality. So cruelty for animals are meted out in the society, chopping off, cutting off animals for different purposes, maybe for the hides, maybe for the flesh, maybe for some other horns. So a lot of animals are being killed by the people. You do not want that. So, one society has been created for prevention of this sort of cruelty, and you are one among the member of the society. The following pie chart reflects the attitude of the people towards animals. So, what is the pie chart reflects? See, indifferent attitude, 35%. People are indifferent. Whatever is happening to the animals, however they are being killed, however they have been slaughtered, people are not interested what is happening. So this kind of people are there. How many? 35%. 35% people are like this. Then 15% people, what they believe? That animals are man's slave. They are slaves of the human being. So bullock has to pull the carts. They are to be used for the plowing. Then buffaloes and donkeys, they are meant for taking the loads for the people. So these animals, people thought these animals are actually slaves of the human being. So whatever human being feel, they can use the animals in this way. So these kind of people, how many are there in a society? 15%. This is the attitude of the people. Okay. It has been divided. What kind of people, in whatever category it comes. So, indifferent attitude means people, those are not interested what is happening against the animals. So, this kind of people are there in the society, 35%. Understood? And 15% people, they believe that whatever is happening, people are using the animals for their own purpose, they have the right to do like that. And these animals are actually the slaves of the human being. Bullock has to take the load, otherwise who will take the load? Donkey has to do the job of the people. Horses have to do the job of the people. So these people feel, 15% people feel, yes, whatever is happening, it is right. And these animals are actually slaves of human beings. They have to work for the human beings. Otherwise, society will not run. This, our mankind, they will find lot of difficulties. So this kind of people are how much? 15%. Then total how much it comes? 50%. 35 plus 15. It comes 50%. So the diagram, pie diagram, you can see it is divided in two halves. This is one half, isn't it? This is 50%. And this 35% plus 50%, this makes another 50%. So total another 50%, what they feel, animals are exploited for selfish interest. So half of the population of humankind, they feel, no, whatever is happening with the animals, how human beings are using them, it is not right. It is wrong. It is people are using them for their own selfish motivated. Instead of using bullock cart, you can use the mechanical cart or electrical carts. So there are some other ways you have to find out. Instead of taking the using the skins of the animals, you can use some other material, synthetic material, or maybe some organic material. So different kind of substitute can be made, because human beings are the one race in the society, in the world. Likewise, each and animal, they are also having their equal rights in the society. They also have the right to live in their own way. People cannot domesticate, people cannot use them as a slave. So, this is the concept of the people. How many people? 50% of the total population. They feel, no, whatever human beings are doing, that is wrong. Okay, so you can see this is a pie diagram. In this pie diagram, opinion of the people are given like this. 50% people what they say, 15% people what they say, 35% people what they say. This is the opinion have been taken from the people. So based on this information, you have to write one article. Okay. What you have to write? You have to write one article to be published in a magazine. What is the magazine name? The Week. Your writing will be published in the magazine. What is the name? Week. Here it will be published. So you have to write the article in, as I told you in the previous writing skill also, you have to write somewhere in the 100 to 150 words. If you remember, student, I told you last time, if some names are given in the question itself, you have to write that particular name. Otherwise, you have to write your own name. See here what is written. You are Ramesh / Ragini. That means in the answer you have to write either as a Ragini or as a Ramesh. These two names only you can use it. So whenever you are writing article, you have to write one heading. After that you will write what? This article is written by who? Ramesh or Ragini. These two names only you have to write it. Preferably, these names will be written how? If you are a boy, you will write Ramesh. If you are a girl, you will write Ragini. Like this. Ragini will write for the girl, Ramesh will write for the boy. So have you understood? In the answer what you have to write? You have to write one heading. Then after that, who is writing the article? You have to write the name. What is the name is given in the question? You are Ragini / Ramesh. Means these two names you have to use it. Sometimes in the question paper, names will not be given. That time you can write any names. Is it clear? In the diary entry also I have taught you like this. But many students have written wrong. In your unit test, you have written Dear Diary. Who is diary? Is it the name of a person? You have written Dear Diary. Is it the format of the letter you are writing to someone? I told you many times, don't write like that. And Dear Diary. Diary is what? You know it. You all have diary in your house. Diary is just like one copy. So is it a person that you are writing Dear Diary? Maximum students you have written this Dear Diary. So this mistake you don't do. Again, when I'll teach you diary writing, that time I'll tell you again. But right now concentrate about article writing. That sort of mistake you don't do it. Okay? So regarding names, is it clear? Now come to the next slide. This is the answer. What I told you, since the name is given, you have to write that particular name. What is written here? Ragini. You have to write either Ragini or Ramesh. So you will give one hyphen like this. Then you have to write Ragini. And before that you have to write one heading. What is the heading? Cruelty to animals. This is the format. This format you have to remember. You have to write one heading. Then after that, keeping two space blank, you will write the name of the person who is writing article. Here names are given as Ramesh or Ragini, so we will write about Ragini. Clear? Then the content is written here. You go for the content, and the content you see how it is written. See, last day also I told you the content you have to write in 2-3 paragraphs. This is one paragraph, this is one paragraph, then this is one paragraph. In 2-3 paragraphs you have to write it. Don't write continuously. This is the format. So you have to remember this format. What is the format? You have to write in heading first. After that you will write who is writing the article. Then we'll write the content in two, three stanzas. Okay? 2, 3 paragraph you'll write it. One paragraph this one, another paragraph this one, another paragraph this one. Is it clear? So this is the format. If you write the format correctly, you will get good marks. And if you do not write the format correctly, you will not get good marks. Is it clear? Now you see what is written. Man suffers from a distorted complex. He always considers animals as inferior beings fit for exploitation. They are to be exploited. Man has been using domestic and wild animals for his selfish ends. Many animal lovers join together to form the Society for Prevention of Cruelty. Okay. The society has been working for the well-being and welfare of animals for many years. Its main aim to change the attitude and thinking of the people towards animals. It is quite sad that animals continue to be ill-treated, tortured, and killed according to the whims of the people. Whims means wishes. Now see, the inputs are given 15%. See, here it is used. About 15% of the people entertain the belief that animals are man's slaves. They use and misuse and torture them accordingly. Again, another input was given in the pie chart, if you remember, 50%. That data is used here, 50%. 50% of the people exploit animals for the selfish end. Horses, oxen are used for the agriculture purpose. Dogs, cats, they entertain and convenience. They have been domesticated for fun, sometimes entertainment, etc. Wild animals like elephant, tigers, lions, deers are victim of poaching and killing. Poaching means they have been killed for their skin, sometimes for the horns, sometimes for the bones. Their huge market is there. People are selling it. So poaching means killing. So these all informations are given. Animals are forced to do acrobatic feats in circus. Unfortunately, about 35% people don't think about the animals at all. They are indifferent. This input was given. 35% people are indifferent. If you remember, it is given in the pie diagram. They are totally indifferent to them. Government, this is the conclusion part. The government and animal lovers must work together to bring a change in the attitude of the people. Animals should not be killed and poached for fun or fur and financial gains. For this purpose people are using, they should not be used like this. They should be treated with kindness, care and sympathy. Cruelty towards animals must be legally punished. If somebody is doing cruelty, it is law is there in India. If you do cruelty to the animals, you are liable to be victimized and legal action will be taken. Okay, law is there, but still it is going on. People are doing it. So this is the conclusion part. So have you understood this article writing? This is the second article writing I have taught you. So first and foremost thing you have to remember, whatever the inputs are given, whatever the hints are given, you have to use those hints. After that, while writing the article, you have to remember that you have to give one heading. Whatever heading was given here, see, this is the heading. Heading was given, this one. That was the heading. Then, who is writing the article? You have to write that after giving one dash. You have to write that name. If the names are given in the question, you have to write the name. Repeatedly, I am telling you. Otherwise, you have to write your own name. Then, depending upon the inputs or the hints, what is given in the question paper, you have to write your answer within 100 to 150 words and write your answer in 2-3 paragraphs. Make it 2-3 paragraphs. First is the introduction. Second paragraph, you write the details about it. And in the third paragraph, you write the conclusion about it. Final conclusion. So I hope you have understood what is article writing. You will be able to write it. And if you have any doubt in any part in explanation, you can ask me. Okay?